How to remove followers on Instagram without blocking. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about removing someone as a follower without blocking them on Instagram. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to followers. From the list of your followers, you can select anyone you'd like to remove from your follower list. Click on their profile and then click on the three dots in the top. You will see the option of remove follower that is between the hide your story and copy profile URL option. Click on it. Confirm by clicking on remove that is highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. You no longer have to block someone on Instagram to remove them as a follower. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can remove people or any profile on Instagram as a follower without blocking them. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.